Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. I picked up this DeWalt 3 amp hour battery and battery charger just because I have a lot of DeWalt equipment and I'm always running low on like charge and battery. So I figured I was going to get something that wasn't like the 2 amp, but this is like the 3 amp, so like a little more juice out of it while I have another larger battery charging. So you can never have enough of these things. Let's open it up, see what we get in the pack. Love this little guy. Alright, so opening that up. Throwing stuff all over the place. So basically you get your battery, you get your charger, and then you get your instruction manual. But obviously these are, it's pretty self-explanatory if you've had a DeWalt battery charger before. That's your battery. And it is a little heavier than your 2 amp battery, but you also get an extra 1 amp hour out of this. So you're basically, quick math in my head, I guess you get an extra like 30% on anything that you're using. And then just line that up, snaps in place, and it's like any other charger. I'm going to put this on my workbench, so I have a battery like ready to go. And basically, it's just like any standard DeWalt charger that you get. You get your pack charging, you get the blinking light, pack charged, you'll have a solid, and then if you have like a hot cold delay, that means it's going to basically just kind of like blink and let you know that, hey, letting the battery cool down before we charge, so you'll get this extra light blinking on that. But again, when you're done, you just simply pull up on that, and then you're good to go. But I'm going to sit there and have that get a good charge once I line the track up properly. But yeah, that is your DeWalt 3 amp battery and charger. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.